Okay. You're going straight to jail. You are! Make one more step and you are gonna be living on the streets. You got it? Hey. Hey.
I guess hungry? Are you hungry?
Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, you hungry?
For that and a bowl of food. What do you want to do?
It's time to get out. Yeah, come on.
He's all in. He's all in.
Back over the line. Get out of here. Back over the line.
What do you think about life?
Why you give me your back? Yeah, okay. Thank you.
People that came in, they're eating the cats. They're eating